Yes, good afternoon to everybody. My name remains Dr. Timothy Ogulaye. I'm the tutor today for your class, data science class. We are taking the class on the use of Python for data science, DTS 216, according to our course code. Now, at this point, I would like to share my screen with you so I'll be able to see what exactly I want to bring up. From what I have on the screen, let me share that so that I'll be able to have access to it. I hope you can see this. I hope you can see this.
Yes, sir.
So if you can see this, so if you have access to your computer, you can just go to, just go to your system, click on Jupyter Notebook. This place will display for you. This page will display for you. It will take you to online, but that online is local online. You can see that local online. So that is local online. So to display for you. So after displaying this page, okay, well, before I start the calculation in this area, I would like to show you this. Do you see this place, this page? Intro to data science. Do you see it?
This slide like this, you screenshot it. You can't keep up. What is it?
Do you see what I'm showing you? What do you see?
Yes, sir, we can see
What,
it. Yes, sir, we can see it. Applications of data science.
application of data science?
Data science.
Data science. How do you
Yes, sir.
Please, that was also mute yourself, please. Mute yourself, please. Data science is applied in healthcare to determine disease, to predict disease. It's applied in finance to detect fraud. It's applied in marketing, customer segmentation. It's applied in manufacturing to predict maintenance. It's applied in transportation to predict route optimization, that is the best route. So data science is applied in these areas. So try to cram them, but I may ask you questions on it during the exam period. So why Python for data science? Python overview. Python is high-level interpreted and general purpose programming. When we say general purpose, the meaning is that it can do many things. It's general for many things. It's purposely designed to do many things. So Python can handle many things. Python can do websites. Python can send email. Python can prepare algorithm. It can be used to develop app. Python can do so many things. So whatever you give Python to do is what it's supposed to do for you. So now, what are the advantages of Python? Advantages: easy of learning and use. It's very easy. Rich ecosystem of library. Python has so many libraries. So many libraries. When we talk about libraries is just a package or a package of code being embedded in a particular area that you make use of. Please, that person should try to omit. Try to omit.
Gloria, move.
So the next is what? The next is strong community and support. So Python has so many community members, so many community of developers. So many people are within Python. So they contribute to code. They develop new code to solve problems. That's why it's called strong community and support. So now, Python, integration and what? Flexibility. So Python is what? It can integrate to other softwares. So you can make use of Python code, can open in Haru, can open in SQL, can open in Java. All these languages I'm talking about, all these languages, they're all other languages apart from Python. So Python can interact with them. Interact with R, interact with SQL. SQL means structured query language. We are going to do it either in trainer level. You must do it. So in total with Java, you're going to do Java also. Java and JavaScript. You're going to do Java also. So Python can interact with all these languages. Then open source. Open source means that it's completely free. The Python is free. Consider that you can have access to that software on your computer without buying it. So it is free. So what are the disadvantages? Performance. Sometimes it may hang. So global interpreter lock. Sometimes the owner of Python can lock it. Memory consumption. So and so on and so forth. These are the advantages of Python. So go through them. But where are the applications? Which company make use of Python? GUI-based desktop application, graphic design, image processing that can go to both image. Python can be used to process image. It can be used to process application. It can be used to do games. Python can be used to develop games, to develop scientific calculator. Python can be used to develop what? Computational applications, web framework, websites, enterprise and business application, operating system, education, database, and so on and so forth. Then scripting. When we say scripting, what's the meaning of scripting? Scripting is when you take data from the internet, from the cloud. That was called scripting. Then Python can be used to do what? To do data science and machine learning. By the time you get to that stage, you know more about it. Python can be used to develop software development. That's your Python. Then which organization make use of Python? Google use it, Yahoo use it, YouTube use it, Mozilla, Dropbox, Microsoft, Cisco, Spotify, Quora, Facebook, even TikTok make use of it. TikTok make use of Python to develop their backend database. So now we start from this place, which is the keyword. But before I start from this place, I want many of you to have installed your system on the software on your system. Because if you don't have that software installed on your system, that may be a bit difficult for us to proceed in this area. So let me see how it works. Let me see how it works. Look at this place. Look at this place. Look at this screen. So by the time you open your what? By the time you open your digital notebook, this is the first page that you're going to see. I don't know if you are able to see this. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir, we can see it, sir.
So I want many of you to be on the same page with me in this place.
Yes, sir, we can see it, sir.
Go ahead. So please, against tomorrow, I would like many of you to be on the same page with me. I'm going to take you tomorrow also, and I'll give you the time so that you can charge your computer and not open it until the lecture is taken. So tomorrow, I'm going to teach you by 7 p.m. tomorrow, 7 to 8:30, 1.5 hours. 7 p.m. tomorrow. PM means the night. Is that time okay for you? Is that time okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So when it's tomorrow now, we're going to open this page. By the time we open this page, then from there, you now go to new. You click on new. After clicking new, then you have notebook. You click on notebook. This one, notebook. You see, you click on notebook. Then another page will display, which is what you are seeing now. It is displaying now. Another page will display. And that's the new page. Do you see the new page? Do you see the new page? All of you, do you see it? The new page?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So good. This new page has been to you from your own end. It is white background. The background is white. But for our end here, the background is dark. I'm the one that choose dark. How? I go to setting. Setting, then you see theme. If you see theme, then you now come to this theme. You come and choose either Jupyter Lab lights or Jupyter Lab dark. I'm the one that choose dark. So the light is the default. What will come for it is light. So if I choose light now, look at me. If I choose light now, so everything here is light. Are you see now? Everything here is light. The background is light now. But I want it to be dark because my typing will be white. So I don't want background to be white and the typing white. So I want something dark. That's why I come to theme. I will now go to what we are. Jupyter Lab what? Dark. So I want this dark. After that, you are going to see this place, plus, this plus sign. You press it like this, plus, plus, plus. That plus sign will create more cell. You create more cell like this. And if you want to remove any cell, here, you can just go to that cell. You now create this scissor sign. This cut cell, cut. Can you see? So this plus sign means to add more cell. So the number of times you press it to add more cell. But this one means what? To reduce the more cell, to remove the cell. Are you getting me at all? Am I communicating? Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
plus sign means to create more cell. Now, after creating more cell, maybe I want to write something at the top here. Maybe today's class, I want to write the topic of today's class. Maybe today's class is Introduction to Python. So I will now use a hash. I will press one hash. I will leave a space. I will write introduction, or maybe like because we are doing introduction to what? To Python. So if I want to run this now, I can come to this place. This place, you see run the cell and advance. Run the cell. I run like this. Everything else is giving me, it's giving me the same thing. No changes. But ideally, since I put hash here, I want to give me something different. But it's because I have it here, you come to this code here. You press this code. So you see code, you see markdown. So if you want to write a statement, you use markdown. But if you want to write a code, you use believe it in code. So what I'm writing here, is it a statement or a code? This is a statement. Because I want to write title of what I want to do. So this is a statement. So I'm going to put it in what? In markdown. I'll not choose markdown. After choosing markdown, then the next thing is that I will not come here. I will not say what? I say this. So I think you get me now. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We are stopping this class in the next 5 minutes because I have a lot of time.
Sir.
Yes, you have a question?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll call you back. What's your question?
When you say we are going to click on that new, we are going to click on new.
Yes, this plus sign. If
So
you
we are
on
going to
this
see notebook.
okay,
I'm not seeing any notebook.
From this side, from this place, you click on new. You will see notebook.
Yes, sir.
You see notebook. Did you
I'm
see
not seeing notebook, sir.
What do you see in your own? What do you see in your
No,
own?
sir.
Tell me what you see in your own.
Python.
It's Python 3.
Exactly. Click on Python 3.
Yes.
They're the same thing.
Okay.
When you click on
Okay,
it,
sir.
does it give you this same page here?
Yes, sir.
So that means they are the same thing. Good. That means you are following me.
Okay.
Good of you. So the same thing here. Don't forget that in this place, you double click this place back. This place like this now. You can double click it. So you can double click this place. You can see me. You can double click it. Double click. If you double click it, you can now copy everything here. Copy everything here. When you copy everything here, then run again. This is a run. This is a run. Run the cell. This is cell. Now you paste it here again. When you put it here, you see that I use one hash at the beginning here. Am I communicating? Now I'm going to 2 hash. I'm going to 2 hash now, 2 hash. I will now come to this code here. I will change to what? To mark down. So without 2 hash, I will not run it. I will not come here and run it. Edit. Can you see? Now I'm going to another one. I'm using 3 hash now. 3 hash to start the beginning. So this is 3 hash now. With the 3 hash, I'm going to run it. Or this run it. But if I run it now, I have to change it to what? To mark down. Because we are using what? Because we are writing statements. We're writing statement, not code. So I'm going to run it now. Run it. So can you see? If I use 4 hash now, 4 hash. If I use 4 hash now at the beginning, so I change what to Python and to mark down. I'll now come here. I'll run it. Can you see? I'll change what to what? To 5 hash now. 5 hash. 5 hash. This one now change to what? To mark down. Then after that, I'll do what? I'll run it. So what do you observe? The more the number of hashes, the smaller what you are typing becomes. Any question? Any question? Don't worry, I will repeat myself tomorrow on this aspect. When you have larger number of people that have computer on their desk. So when I repeat myself again tomorrow, I'm going to share this recording with you. So you'll be able to have the recording and listen to it tonight. So I'm going to share the recording with you. So that you're going to listen to it to practice tonight. So what you have done now, you can practice it. So now this one has done. Now you can now come here. You can come to this place, or you can come to this place. You can say, come and rename. Come and rename. But what you have here now is what? Is Untitled 13. That is the title of this work. So to have a better title now, you can come here and what? And rename. When you want to rename, you can just say 4-year practice. You can say day what? Day 1. Day 1. Then you can know what? Rename. So what do you have here now? I'm saying 4-year practice, day 1. So with this now, are you getting my points? Are you following me?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So with this now, you can save it. You have saved it already to 4-year practice, day 1. So you can now change it to what? To HTML, the link. So a link. You come here, you now come to save and export notebook as what? You now come here as what? As HTML. So you can now save it as HTML. You see what? See that it's coming up now. This is it here. Do you see it here? Do you see it here? So you now click on this show folder. Look at this place now. Show folder. You click on this. So it will take you to the folder where it is. Do you see the folder now? Do you see the folder where it is? So from there, you can now cut it.
Sir.
I'm cutting it now. I want to cut it. So when I'm cutting it, I'll go to your watch. I'll go to your WhatsApp. And I paste it in your WhatsApp. So your WhatsApp now, that means what you have done now has been pasted in your WhatsApp. You can go and check your WhatsApp to see what you have done now. So that is the end of today's class for now. By the time
Thank you, sir.
we're going to elaborate more on it tomorrow by the grace of God.